Modernization update. If you have a US DOT number and or operating authority, MCMX, FF docket number. Complete the actions below. Prepare for the launch of MOTUS, US DOT registration system. Ensure your portal is active. Log in or create one if you haven't already. Verify portal account user list. And update company information using the biennial MCS 150 form. I don't know that we have to do anything. I guess we might need to do a 150, submit a 150, or just log into MOTUS. So it's got a checkbox on new user application. It says new user profile information. That's checked off. It says new user identity verification. That's got a checkbox already, but now it's on to the workflow selection. But it pops up with this thing. It says user profile information, user identification. The name on the user profile must match, and it says first name, middle initial, or name, and last name. And then everything matches up. And I got an email after, because it made me scan my driver's license front and back and then scan my face. And I got an email saying all that was good. And on my phone, it popped up and said identity verified, verification successful. So I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I'm reading the email that we sent out today. If you have a US DOT number, please complete actions below to prepare for the launch of the MOTUS. Okay, so you have your portal account active, verify your account user list, and update company information.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I don't think I need this MOTUS. Is MOTUS just for new entrant, like new people signing up, or are existing motor carriers going to need to use this MOTUS system for something in the future?
There is a possibility we'll be moving in. We'll be rolling out MOTUS for basically everyone.
Yeah.
I know that currently there's no need for. Well, I wanted to verify because that's why I wanted to read this email. It sounds like the email is just making sure that all the info is updated on portal. So when we do actually roll it out for the need for motor carriers to have the MOTUS active, it'll be a smoother transition.
Mm-hmm.
So, would you mind if I put you on a bit of a prolonged hold here while I just get verification?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, thank you for holding. So, yes, I got confirmation that currently MOTUS is only set up for insurance process agents and other third parties currently, which is why we're having issues getting your actual account set up on your end.
Oh, okay. So we don't need to mess with it right now?
Okay. Yeah, so we don't need to mess with it right now. It's most likely because we're not set up for motor carriers yet. That's why it's throwing an error, because it's just not set up for you yet. I'm going to go ahead and send you an email just with information about MOTUS and the upcoming modernization changes for registration. Just so you have that information, you can review it at your leisure. And I have a reference number for a call today whenever you're ready for that.
I don't need it. I'm not worried about it if we don't need it. But I bet y'all are going to get, if that email went out to every motor carrier, y'all are going to get a bunch of phone calls about people that are trying to get set up.
You definitely haven't been the first person today, but you were the first person to actually log into MOTUS for me.
Oh, okay.
I was like, I don't know if you can yet, but that's why I had to make sure.
Okay. All right.
All right, so yeah, we got that all set then. Thank you for calling the FMCSA. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Yep, I appreciate your help. Thank you. Bye.